welcome back to my channel. So, as you saw in my previous video, I recently visited San Francisco. And in this video, we're going to talk about what I did on the second day of my trip. So on the second day of my trip, we went to Pier 33 down by Fisherman's Wharf, and that is where visitors board the ferry to Alcatraz Island. But before we went to the island, we grabbed some lunch at a nearby restaurant. So the dock that leads to the ferry from the mainland is accessible, and once you arrive at the island, there is a tram called Seat available, and if you have a disability, you can use that tram and it'll take you from the main dock up to the top of the island, which is where the prison is located. The hill is pretty steep up to the top of the island, so I decided to take the tram on my trip up to the top of the island. However, I did realize though, once I was on the tram, that the tram actually does pass a few different exhibits. So if you decide not to take the tram, you will be able to see a little bit more of the island. So on the way back down, I decided to just use my wheelchair and climb my way back down the hill instead of taking the tram. And then I was able to see a few more exhibits. But if you decide to just take the tram from the bottom of the island up to the top of the island to where the prison is, you'll still be able to see most of the prison anyway. And basically the entire first floor of the prison, except for the outdoor recreation field, is accessible. They also have an audio tour available, which you can also get in Braille or with captions if needed. Tour of Alcatraz Island, we went down to Pier 39 and grabbed some dinner. And then from there, we just went back to the hotel to get ready for the next day. Alright, well that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that little bell button down below to receive a notification the next time I upload a video. I hope you have a phenomenal day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Duncan, lay down. Lay down. Thank you.